the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said, you better say your prayers. I said, hallelujah. She said, take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said, you better say your prayers. I said, hallelujah. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Coaching Izzy, they know. Where the B2P's go. The OGs go there. I just found my people, I just found my people, yeah. The Underground Railroad, Underground Railroad, yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, catching all these Porsches with the play. Roll up on the block, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place. Oh yeah, yeah. I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G, yeah. And we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Coaching Izzy, they know. Where the B2P's go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Coaching Izzy, they know. Where the BTP's go. Where the BTP's go. I see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far. So close, yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yeah, so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right? That little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you wanna live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close, yet so far. 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 Now, in my experience, there's only one way to get what you wanna, get to the life you wanna live, and it's through pain. The pain of self-reflection and truly understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you can sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. Yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far.
Let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this. I can be your number one, we know it's overdone, but I could give you something that could give you hope. No, no, you want a smart girl with her own job. She can talk shop, says he's gonna start a revolution. I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's a little delusion. first on a private plane, doesn't wanna ride commercial. He's so unique and he's so right, but he's so not right for me. And I don't wanna be that guy. Says he's gonna start a revolution, and I don't doubt it. But sometimes I think his vision's illusion, delusion. He sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, 'cause he's going in.
Trader.
He said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true.
Yeah, we call it the wick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, wick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank on the move. Bank on the move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
So we bank on the move. Bank, 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 She said take a left on Rodeo, only with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah.
The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know. Where the B2Ps go? OGs go there.
I just found my people, yeah.
The Underground Railroad. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, cashing all these Porsches with the play, roll up on the black, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This a sacred place.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G's, and we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Coach and Easy, they know. Where the B2Ps, where the BCPs. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Ocean Easy, they know. Where the BTPs, where the BTPs go.
Let's get in this. 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 I can be your number one. We know it's overdone, but I could give you something that could give you hope. No, you want a smart girl with her own job. She can talk shop. Says he's gonna start a revolution. I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's a little illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in. Wants to see the universe, wants to see it first. On a private plane, doesn't wanna ride commercial. He's so unique and he's so right, but he's so not right for me, and I don't wanna be that guy. Says he's gonna start a revolution, and I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's an illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true.
Now? What's up, everybody? I don't know. It's like blank. I don't see anything. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Jizzy Show with your boy Maestro and your girl Izzy, Jay and Izzy, Jizzy. So welcome back. I'm in Florida right now. I'm in Orlando. We are staying at a hotel where there's a pirate ship outside. We're gonna go in the swimming pool later today. Tomorrow, we're going to, there's a cool ass pirate ship outside. And I'm excited. I'm excited to go house hunting with the wife. Or well,
I don't
we're
know,
not buying the
Javi.
house
Do you want to
yet.
adopt me?
I mean, wife's a big fan of yours. I'm sure she wouldn't mind. Where's she at, huh, amor? See, look, she said yes. No hesitation.
No
Zero
hesitation.
There you go. Welcome to the family.
Yeah.
She's like, yes. Yeah. No, it's awesome. I'm excited. It's cool to be down here.
Javi outside.
We can leave Javi outside. Oh, thank you. I'll just do the show outside. I'll be all red. I'll let the Dolphins take me. I'll be like, hey guys, you guys need a professional trader to teach you guys how to trade, not just to build, right? Not just you don't need to learn how to build shit. You just need to learn how to trade too, you know? Make some of that dolphin money. Make some of that. I'll be like Look at that. That's right. Gerald will know exactly what I was talking about. Gerald will be like, freaking Gerald. I want to meet Gerald. That's my mission. I told my wife my new mission is to meet Gerald while I'm from Florida. So I'm gonna hang out in the ocean and be like, Gerald, where you at? Where you at, Gerald? All right, here's that push back to 40s. We still gonna range down here? We're gonna, let's see, I'm tempted. Candle's not gonna, this 5-minute candle closes above 40.
This looks bearish. Very much.
Oh, it looks super bearish, but I still think we're in this range. I still think we might have a peak through 40 and touch 30, but I think this is still going to be back and forth. The range on power hour is going to be pretty wide.
I'm not
I
gonna
would
lie.
like to see
I
it.
kind of don't like the price action right now. I mean, you're
Oh.
gonna probably be the only one trading this chop right now because I'm over here like, oof.
I want to see it kind of get down a little closer to 40. I wouldn't be surprised if it already started bouncing up here like it is doing right now. But this is a pretty nice wide chop. So a 5-minute candle will be closing up soon, but it looks like, yeah, look at that. See, already bouncing. It's just how far up will it keep going? I want to see how far up between 70 and 40. And if it pushes up, if the push up gets weaker and weaker and weaker, I'm going to anticipate a potential little break through 40 and test those 30s again. But the candle closures are what tells me the story. And the 5-minute is sitting on just a bunch of support over here. A bunch of support over here. So this is why it's telling me like this is just gonna. What is that? Is that you getting poked in the butt by Gerald?
Gerald.
Gerald's like, heck yeah. Wait, no, that girl has no ass though. That's white girl butt.
Oh my god. Have you ever swum with dolphins?
I've never swam with dolphins.
I've kissed one time.
And what do you say?
Nothing. It just ran away.
He went to go tell his homies.
Story of
Dude,
my
I
life.
think the dolphins we get to see, like, do you believe like okay, there's actually a law against talking to dolphins?
Yes,
Like,
there
do you
is.
believe that? Like, why? And why, okay, if it's so illegal to talk to dolphins, why do we have dolphins that we can swim with? And trainers that train them?
I
Like,
think because those are like what is it called? In captive? And the other ones are like actually in the sea, maybe? And they can like because it's about you training them because you can train them to do some what is it called? Like the FBI used to train dolphins. Jesus, I almost said it in
dolphins.
Portuguese. Yeah, in Portuguese is a golfinho, so I said dolphins. I got confused. Yeah.
You tried the down from Ninja.
I just put him back up. The dolphins.
The dolphins. The dolphins. Yeah. So the FBI trained them to like see where like bombs and things were. So I think that's why they make it illegal to actually talk to them, so they cannot be trained.
That's interesting.
Yeah, Russia has spy dolphins.
Oh, they do?
Mm-hmm. And we do too.
That's kind of cool, actually.
I actually never stepped on a jellyfish. Thank God.
Me neither. I've seen them. I've seen them in the water and then pretty much get out when I see them. But never got stung by one, never touched one, thankfully. Snitch ass dolphin. All right, 5 minutes, still just hanging above 340.
Ooh, I'm gonna have to make a cafecito. I don't know.
All
I'm
this
like over
price
here
action is
dying.
crap. It's
It is
Friday.
crappy.
It's Friday. This is Friday price action. Be
2
patient,
days?
y'all.
is literally probably one of the worst between yesterday and today has been the worst price action I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, look, if you guys look at my chart, we're surrounded by levels, right? 77, 72, 68. What is this one? 60, 42, 37, right below a soft box. This is just getting tight, like just tight as hell. Right, probably the way Gerald likes it, which is why he took that guy. Not to build the thing, you know. Pause.
Did you know that in Brazil we have pink dolphins?
Yeah, I've seen those. They kind of look fleshy. They look weird to me. Like they
Yeah,
were like skin got peeled off or something.
they
I
are.
don't
What
know.
is it called? Like oh, I don't know the word in English, but they're not like
Ooh, okay,
sea
here's a push to
dolphins. They
40.
are. Yep. I
All
was
right, here's a
looking
push
for
to 40.
that.
Looks like 40 is going to give out. This 5-minute candle is going to close below. Ooh,
River
it's going to
dolphins.
push.
There we go.
Okay, this is going to push down. We're going to keep dumping, I think.
Yeah, 100%.
This is where it gets tricky because we can push all the way down to 310. But if this 5-minute candle closes back above 342, I might test the long here. If it closes above 342, because this will be a fake out. But if it closes below it, this is going to keep dumping. We might get all the way down to 310. But I need to see a good pull up. But for now, this might keep shorting here. There goes. The candle's going to close in 1 minute still, so it's got a lot of time left. Got a lot of time left. Here's that push back up. The Dom's getting a little crazy here. Here's that push right back up to 42. I've seen this time and time again, but I want to see it really pull up and close above it. If it closes below, this might get down to those 300s, the 310 area. Well, let's see for 40 seconds. It's getting weak. It looks like 342 is now becoming resistance. So this might start shorting. Be about a 10-point stop loss from here if this candle closes, but it probably might pull down a little bit. Just if it closes over 342, that's where it gets scary. It's 10 seconds left. Let's see what she wants to do here. Okay, looks like we're going to close below. We got to break through the 30s next. So I'm going to
Oh my god, I don't think I'm gonna
close
survive. I
below.
think I'm gonna have to go make a coffee real quick. I'm over here dying.
Now I want to see it retest the 40s. I don't want to see it reject it hard. But this will be a potential 10-point stop short here. I want to see if we can get down to 30. Break the 30s, we'll see the 10s. There it goes. Okay, go, 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 go. Come on. All right, here we go. Here's the break of 30. I have no idea how to screenshot. Well, that didn't break 30. I'm saying here's the tap of 30, I meant to say. But let's see.
Production
I
said
already
that
got
the
my 10.
dolphins can get very, very frisky.
Yes, they can. And yes, they do. All right. I don't want to see it break over 42. I want to see it really start pushing down. So I already got my 10 points on that one. I'm going to let my
Curious on
runner
something right
run.
now.
My YouTube's
Dolphin
frozen.
grape is a real thing?
There we
What?
go. Now my YouTube's not frozen. Dolphin what?
Grape.
Dolphin grapes?
The other word. The one
I'm
we
lost.
can't say.
Oh. Like you're talking about the Willie Nelson?
Don't say I haven't.
I know, but you know what I mean, right? The one-eyed snake, the one-eyed Willie. All right. You know what I'm saying, right? You can't say it. I can't say I've ever seen a dolphin's one-eyed Willie, so I don't know. You sick bastards. We're about to get FBI agents are about to come get us again, like they did yesterday. No, was it Wednesday? I was talking about that guy that rhymes with the Berenstain Bears, and they shut us down. They're listening. Okay, I'm gonna stop now before they shut us down again.
before they shut us down again. Now, your wife has the right idea. I'm over here like on the verge of about to make a coffee. Dead ass.
Yeah, all right.
With this price
My runners
action,
are out. Yep, runners are out.
this shit is
I didn't want to give too
absolutely
much back on that.
outrageous.
Yeah. So the 30s needed to break. It bounced right off of 30. So I don't want to see it break over 42 again, because if it does, then it'll retest.
Give me like 2 seconds. I can hear you still. I have my headphones.
Yeah, I mean, if it stays underneath 50, it's still not bad. Like, I feel like triple dipping, because it doesn't look bad at all. I mean, it's very bearish. I just don't want to see it break over 42. It just gets really... This is a very, very, very just weird spot it's in. It needs to break the 30s next. Once it breaks 30s, then we could see 310. And then we could start if we could break 310, we have so much freaking room down. And we got Lama's 786 at 23,317. And that would be right at the 20 level that I have on the 5-minute right here. Right there at the bottom of sauce box. So that could be a major area for a potential bounce as well. But it's sitting super bearish. Short is still looking pretty good. I got somewhat strat sixed on my runners, so wouldn't be surprised. But again, 330 is that next area of support. Do I have anything at 2305 on my end? I have nothing past 310 until 280s. And obviously psychological levels 300, but past 310, I don't have anything until the 80s. That's my next sauce box right there. Yeah, I have nothing else below that. Next 5-minute area is all the way down at 163 from 310. And that's a 5-minute area. So on the 5-minute, that's a ton of room. But we need to really see it start breaking down. This looks like it wants to push up a little bit here. If it can break over the 42, 43 area, then you'll see retest at 50. If it gets over 50, then we'll see 60, 75, which is the level I got up here. It's still fighting the 342 area. So it's still showing up as resistance, but this thing looks like, yeah, this is looking like it wants to curl up here on the 1 minute. There goes. There's 50s. Breaks through here, we're going to see that 60 tap. Potentially. Getting a big bluey showing up here. My internet kind of sucks right here. Honestly, kind of sucks. All right, there's the 350 tap. Couldn't continue to 360. But let's see if it can hold on to this 38.40 area, and then it'll make another push up. If it breaks it, continuation down is coming in. We had a lower low on the 2 minute, on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute. So trying to see where the new lower high might be, which to me would be the 360 area. If it holds on to this 338. If not, we're just going to keep pushing down here. Yep. That candle closes below. It still has a whole minute left. But this is still in a strong downtrend. That was a quick push up to 353. I don't like the way this max makes my screen look so sad. I can't even see the whole chat on YouTube. Like I can only see parts of it. There we go. Now I can see a little bit. I was in a short Eisen earlier from the 342 break, and I caught the push down to 330, but that was it. 330 was the next area. I need to see 330 break next for it to go down further. That push from 342 pushed up to test the 50s. If it was able to stay above the 50s, it would have tested that 60 level that I had up here at 60.75, As you can see, it wicked straight down. Now we broke below that 38. Now I want to see it stay below. So this would be a potential short continuation. The thing is that 330 area, right? This 330 area has to give. So this is a pretty tight spot here. There's your retest at 38, but right, for 8 points, until 330 breaks, we're gonna kind of stay paused here. But it's not bad. I want to see that 330 break. Keeps bouncing hard off of it. All right, we're starting to break it. That 5 minute needs to close below, and we're gonna get that tap. We're breaking the midline of sauce box here as well. I want to see it really start pushing here if it's gonna go, because the hesitation is just gonna get really wicky. It's gonna go back and forth. I mean, anybody could have entered the rejection of 50. There goes. There goes the break of 30. There's 20. There, okay, so there's 22. 17. The 17 area, this might be an area for potential bounce here. This is going to be the bottom of sauce box plus Lama's fib plus a 5 minute candle. I want to see it close above it though. If it closes below, we might see 310, but this could be an area where we might see a potential push up, and I want to see how violent it can get. So not yet. That's not as good of a push. I mean, if it wants to go, it's going to go, but Dom is starting to speed up, getting a little crazy here. You're down 50 cents, 3i? That's a win in my book, brother.
Oh no, how are you ever going to recover from that? You are doomed. You might as well just quit trading right now.
I know, right? You might as well be done. All right, here's that 317 area.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Nice.
ooh, look at that. All right, this
It's
is
a
a major area for me.
mermaid.
But I want to see this 5 minute candle close above it. I mean, it's about a, what, 310 could get tested, but this is usually an area that I favor when I have Lama's fib and everything aligned. But I want to see that 5 minute candle pull up right here. Okay, it's going to close above. I am tempted, and I think I might press the button for 10 points. I'm going to put a stop loss right below this 5 minute candle close here. And I'm going to go long here at 320. I'm going to look for 330.50 first. Let's see what we get here. Let's see if it gets some mustard on it, because I would really like to see it start violently pushing up here. Hello, buddy. I don't like that weak bounce. I'm not a fan of that bounce. Did not look strong. I want it to just start running now. I want to see it really go.
Keep dumping all day. It's gonna be one of those days because it looks so weak right now.
Come on, give me 330.50. At least give me that, and then you could keep going. But this is usually an area where I see a good reaction. It doesn't look too good to me.
Nope. That shit's just gonna fucking
that bounce looked weak as hell. Yeah, I wanted more. I wanted more of a violent reaction.
Might as well just hold the sell and like close your eyes.
I got a 10-point stop on it, but if I get strat 6, I will not be afraid. But that candle closed above it, so that's the only thing where I'm liking is it did not close below it. But I want to see it start at least retest the 30 area is what I was looking for. And if it could rip right through it, great.
This is gonna sound insane, but I think we can drop another 300 points from here.
Thank you, buddy. No, that's not insane. If we break 310, I have so much freaking room down, but I need a 5 minute to break through it. I need a 5 minute to break under 310. All right, here we go. Come on, no, bounce more. I think I'm gonna take some off here at 5 at 24.20 at 24.50. I went in with 6. I don't normally go in that heavy. We're gonna take 2 out here. I'm gonna let 4 runners. I'm gonna do my little 5 and 10 thing right now, just because the bounce isn't strong enough. I want to see it. I want to see it get violent. I don't want to see it kind of be a soft little push. I want to see it really start running. I think today is
gonna be one of those days that literally just bleeds into the very last minute of the market.
It absolutely
without a retracement.
Yeah,
that's what it's looking like.
Fridays is everyone's afraid, right? Fridays, weekend, you got Trump in control of the war and shit. Yeah. You know, absolutely anything can happen, and people are afraid. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we have this meltdown at the end. I want to see a little bit of a push up here if this thing can really start going here. Come on. Come on, you're almost there. Just give me that 30. Come on, you're almost there. Yes, yes, yes. Boom. All right, there we go. Okay, there's a little TP. Finally, another 10-pointer right there. Hey, we're going to take whatever it gives me. That was that little push to 330, and it rejected hard, so that was clean. That's what I wanted to see.
That's just
literally
about to
all I wanted
melt
to see.
right now.
Yeah. What is
As soon
up
as
with
we
this?
close
My
the
Mac. Ugh. I need to see a 5-minute close below 310 though. Unless that does, I'm not liking the short to continue further. This could just range right here.
yeah.
But that was the clean retest of that 330 area, and 330 did reject. So you want to see it stay below 330, but you want to see 310 eventually break. But if this goes up, oh my gosh, did I just get strat 6'd? I just got strat 6'd! I just got strat 6. This bitch is gonna go, watch. Okay, no, yes. It has to break over 330 and hold. And this thing can start really pushing back up. Because this is a major area for me. This is like one of my favorite setups. And it's saucebox, got some blues, got Lama's fib, but the bounce was pretty weak. That's the only thing. But there it goes again. Now we're just stuck here. Now we're just stuck between that 330, 332, and that 317 level. That's it. That's where we're trapped right now.
It's adorable.
So hard rejection. I want to see 310 break. How long does this 5-minute candle have? It still has about a minute left. That 5-minute candle still has about a minute left.
I think we dump 100 points from here.
It's just slowly right now.
just-
It's a slow push.
Yeah, we just
Oh, here
created that
goes.
high that is strat 60. Stop loss go above that.
Yeah.
This bitch just dumps.
All right. There's that push down. This might absolutely. You might be right. Oh, I think it might start just dropping. That 310 breaks. This might just start really melting.
Like I'm using 333 as stop loss, and then no take profit. Hell is an exit target.
That's a failed bullish move right here that just occurred. There's a retest at 320. It's just I want to see 310 break. It's like I don't have a whole lot of room to take that.
That is so cute. But you need to turn into a better Pokemon because it's a unicorn with a mermaid tail.
Unicorn with a mermaid tail? Oh, yeah. It is. All right, there's the 310 tap. A little bit of a bounce there. These bounces are weak. Want to see it stay underneath 322, 320. There's the retest of that 320 area.
Yep.
Now you want to see. Now it's going to be stuck between 320 and 310. This thing breaks 310. We're going down.
We go.
I do like it. I do like it. I want that 310 to just give out on the 5-minute. This is a fresh 5-minute candle, so we could get trapped in here for a little bit. Close all these out. All these are broken already, so they're no longer good. Yeah, this is looking very good for a drop.
Mm-hmm.
This one's still there.
Pop
This one's
lock
gone.
and drop it. Pop lock.
Come on.
Oh, I need the scoffers to start hitting me.
Yep. And we started the short up here at the 42. Did retest 53. Couldn't make up to 60. Hard rejections. Now we're still tracking. Now I want to see that 310 really break, and then we could get a potential big move down.
Shit, I wanted 371 as entry, but I was like half asleep. I was like, I don't even want to touch the button right now.
Come on.
As soon as I saw the rejection, I was just like, we're going down. See, that's the thing.
Thank you, Tushar.
Whenever we have these war like fundamentals type of days, everybody gets cooked because everybody's waiting for this reversal that never happens.
Yep.
We just keep
react.
on dumping.
Yeah,
you just have to
the chart
react.
gives you.
Because you keep on thinking that there's gonna have a reversal. Everyone blows their accounts waiting for this stupid reversal.
Yep. Well, bounce off of 310. This breaks back 320. We will retest this 324 level. I want to see it reject under here if it does push up to test.
I don't have any level into 300 points below this crap. So my next level is literally wait, am
There's
I in the right chart?
324. Oh, this is ripping. That 310 here held. That's ripping. 310 did not break.
Like the only target that I have that I want to see is 23,025. That's the next target. There's nothing else in between. Like literally nothing. That's why I said I was like, I want to see a 300-point drop. There's nothing else holding that.
This closes up here. Oof, man, I might be tempted. This might be that push back to retest the 50s, but this is hard to tell. That candle closes up here. There's a chance this will push a little bit up, but this is a weird spot. This is a weird spot to be in.
Yeah,
I want to
it's
see
trying to
another
stick to
failed.
me.
Yeah, I mean, I want to see another failed bullish move if it can break underneath 1550,
Yeah.
but that 10 area needs to break.
I'm still. Like, what else is
Yeah,
there?
this is going to
To
push back to
retest?
350s, I think. That was such a
Okay,
clean
yeah,
tap of that 310. Look at that.
yeah. I think that the level that I want to see tapped if we get there is 46.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. I haven't. I did catch. I didn't even get the 310 entry. I got in at 26 when I saw that candle. The 1 minute candle closed above it, above that 23. So caught a little bit of a ride up. That was it. I only pushed up to 37. I would have loved to see it continue into like retest 50, but I'll let my runners trail from my entry at 2650. I need to learn how to take screenshots on this thing. I forgot. Last time I took screenshots on this was in
You
Paraguay.
do Control Command 4,
Control Command 4.
and then you can select whatever you want.
No, that didn't work. Hold on. I think it's Shift
Okay.
Command. My son told me Shift Command 4. Shift Command 4. There we go. Shift Command 4.
Is it? Oh, I said it wrong. Shift Command then. Yeah.
There we go.
Oops.
Shift Command
Yeah.
4. Okay, here we go.
Shift Command. There we go. F10.
F10
No,
works
my
too.
F10 just messes with the sound.
All right, come on, push.
Oh, he was
Push.
fucking with us.
Push. I want to see it get up to the 50s or like just a 50. It might not, but I got my runners just running. So if it does, it does. If it doesn't, I don't care. Then I will see a potential break back under. But this is, if anybody caught that bounce off 310, good for you. I didn't catch it. I waited on it. I would have loved to see the 5 minute close below it. But that candle closed over 23. That got me in. Then they had the retest, clean retest, and I didn't even have the good entry. The best entry would have been the retest of 23. I got in at 26. Come on, there it goes. There's the push. All right, there you go. There's 15 points right there, just about 15 points. I want to see this really start getting over 40. If it doesn't, oh well.
If it doesn't,
Like I
oh
said,
well.
if it doesn't, oh well. That's the way I think about it. I take what it gives me. If it doesn't keep going, oh well. I collected 20 down and 15 up. That's 35 points right now. I'm always happy with what I get. I flex in the background, y'all. Like when we share our payouts amongst each other, right? Like I flex there because I don't like to flex with everyone else because I know what it feels like to try to chase what everyone else does. I try to keep as humble as possible, right? But at the same time, I still, I'm doing this as entertainment purposes, but I still get a ton of payouts, so I have to be able to prove myself. I had a hell of a
I
week
agree
this week.
with you. Like I never liked talking about, like, whenever I had like a marketing team, they were like, "Oh, how much money have you ever made in total so we can make a video about it?" I was just like, I don't like talking about that.
Yeah, I'm the same. I'm the exact same. I don't. One of the guys at the event, I forgot who it was. He talked about that, right? When you asked about when one of us asked him, I think it was Max that asked him about,
Oh
how
yeah,
much was your
wasn't he a
biggest trade?
billionaire?
Yes,
Yeah,
and he's like, I don't like to talk about, that's like the death's kiss when you
yeah.
talk about it too much. You have
I
a
like to
stomach
keep
tat?
like, yeah.
Ah, what is that, like a web
It's
or
like
flower?
no, it's like this. It's like a Indian thing. It's like called a mandala. It's just like a
Ah,
little drawing.
cool. Come on, give me 350. It's almost there. I got 2 runners still in this. 15 points right now.
It was
Go.
one of
Yes.
the rich
Yes,
Jews on
there it
stage.
is. Woo! 25 points, baby. Let's go. Who caught that baby? There it is.
There
There
we
it is.
go.
There you go, guys. And we're still going. There it is. Precision, baby. Precision. Oh, God, love it. Precision. There we go. We're still running. Got 350. There we go. We get the 60 tap. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh shit! Now we're going. Now we're just
Let's
going.
go. Let's go, y'all. Got a runner still running. I'm taking the shittiest screenshots. Oh no. No, my screenshot messed me up or where it was, but whatever. Whatever. Y'all saw that push up to 60. There's the tap of 60. There's the tap of 60 I was telling everyone, right? I said this could be the push back up to retest the 60. Screen cap that. Somebody. The Maestradamus in the Jizzy show. We got this, baby. We got this. We got this. 310 bounce, 323 close, all the way up to 360. We done. Not moved in yet, Fasta.
yeah.
Not moved in. Look, we're gonna go looking for where we're gonna go rent. We're renting for a whole year first because we're gonna buy, but we want to take our time buying. And we're not gonna try to rush it. Our lease at our current place ends in July. So we want to be already moved here by June and I have to worry about it. And I'm going to pay the whole freaking year. That's the
So
plan.
Javi tells us the truth. You just want to make $1 million first, and then you're just gonna buy your house cash.
Yeah. Yeah, that's that's how like I'm doing this I'm doing, it's not a series per se, but I'm doing this thing where when we want something or we go out, right? I'm kind of trading to see if I can make it.
Yeah.
The house is one of those things potentially. I mean, so far tomorrow's trip to Universal is already paid for. I paid for all our breakfasts for this week already with a trade from this morning. I paid for our flights already. I have this little thing that it's really fun. Oh no, is the screen not the share? Are some of you guys not able to see my screen share? Pat can't see it. It's fine. Okay, Pat, you're just drunk. Sorry, bro.
Your computer is drunk.
You gave your computer a little too much alcohol, but
Yeah,
Dude, look at that.
whoever can't see the screen, just leave and rejoin.
Look at that, perfect. That was the picture perfect Maestro read right there.
Mm-hmm.
All the way to the tap to the 360. It's been a while since I made like that accurate of a call. It's been a while. That's been a while. It's been a while.
That is actually around one of the areas that I would look for.
Yeah, we're looking at Wellington, Boca, Parkland.
I think we can sell from here.
And I forgot what else. I forgot where else we're looking.
Oh no, why does my thing do this? Target back down for 40 points, the 309 area.
Yeah, it's not looking too bad. It's got quite a bit. I mean, I don't have any purples on the 1 minute because that's where I would play caution. So I don't see anything holding it back really. It was just, I was looking for that pull up to retest, and that would have been the higher, right? The lower high on the 5. That 310 is right here. This is that 310 area I was looking at. Right, bottom of sauce box, like clean. Like this is exactly what I wanted to see. Broke right back. Boom, boom.
Damn, this is like perfect.
Wow, did you catch that from there, Izzy? You caught that? That melted hard. Now you got to see this 327 break. Oh yeah, that's where it currently bounced. Now we're going to have this 2-minute
was
new
nice.
range down here. What time is it? What time is it? We're at 3:22.
Yeah, I don't know if we're getting all the way down there, but I mean,
Vero Beach. Thank you, Marcelo.
I think
I'm late
it's
to the party. How did
possible.
you come up with those levels, 310 and 350? I got my quantum. You guys look at my chart, quantum shift. That's my strategy. That's a strategy I built, and that's the indicator built around the strategy. So when you guys see these signals, right, you guys see all the buy and sell signals. Some people just like to look at those. That's not all it's about. These are confirmation for me. These are confirmation for areas, right? You see the bounce off the 376, boom, that's your confirmation. And then obviously it retested, push back. Then we had this 5-minute down below, right? And these are levels created by these blue candles, the quantum candles. These, you see the 5-minute on the one, it says 5M, 5M. These are 5-minute blues. It needs a 5-minute candle closure below for me to invalidate them. This one up here, I did not close it because this I consider a tip break. That is just the tippy tip of a candle that broke it. I don't count that as a full close. This one held obviously on that pull up. So the quantum candles, right? You see me marking them. So for this to go up, this needs to break this 353. We got a level at 360. Above that, we have 369, 377. So it's got a lot of little things it needs to get through. Over 377, there's room, right? That's why earlier when I started the show, I was like, I don't like this to go up unless we break 377. If we break 377, there's a potential shoot up, but you want to wait for candle closure. No candle closure, like you saw that wick, and that wick pushed up 20 points, which is wild. It pushed up 20 points, and it closed below. Then, boom. So that's why candle closures are very important for me. You'll hear me say that I need the 2-minute to close.
Florida drivers are absolutely insane.
They're not horrible. They're much better than Maryland drivers.
No, you need to get like deep into like the rush hour. It gets kind of crazy.
There were some. There's definitely some where like they're at the very more than I've seen in Maryland and Virginia. A lot of last second. Oh yeah, there's my exit. And I'm like, I saw like 5 of them today, just literally going a mile and a half down, and I was like, wow. It's like everyone's just like last second. Oh yeah. The faith they have too, because it looks like they blindly do it.
It is. What was I gonna say? Oh, my back hurts. So did you tell your wife the news? I'm joking. His face.
I forget shit. I don't know. You told me to tell her some news. I probably forgot. She knows too. My wife was about like, did you remember to do this? And I'm like, when did you tell me that? She's like, I just told you yesterday.
Oh no! But I'm gonna be doing a boot camp, and I told Javi
Oh
to
yeah,
invite
yes.
his wife.
I did tell her. Yes, I did tell her that. I did. She knows. I did tell her immediately
I kept him for 2
afterwards.
seconds.
And I recorded the call so I could review it, and I was like, I got recorded if you want proof. Because she at first she was like, no, are you just saying that? I'm like, no. And she said, you're just saying it now again. So now she heard you say it. So awesome. All right. We're in another range.
It's gonna be next weekend, April 4th. So we actually just released the link for the website. Hold on, let me find it.
Yeah. Explain the blue. Explain the blue. Now you got me talking all funky too, Izzy. Explain the blue camp. Your dolphins. Now I said blue.
My dolphins.
The blue camp.
The blue camp.
Explain that blue camp here, yeah.
So cute. Oh. So here's the link. It's gonna be classes every Saturday for 4 weeks, where I'm gonna go over some of the strategies there's actually not on my course, and it's gonna be very much like a kind of school feel to it. I'm gonna be giving like homework and quizzes, but the homework is mainly like back testing that you guys should be doing anyway, teaching you guys how to properly journal, how to create your trading plan. And then I have a lot of students from Europe. So I am going to teach, 3 different strategies of like New York Open, Asian Open, and London Open. So that is essentially it. and there's more details like on the captions, but it is recorded, so like you're gonna be able to watch it. If you're not gonna be present on Saturday morning, you get into like Monday or Tuesday to watch it. And like I said, the homework is nothing like insane. Is like teaching you how to track your trades and making sure that you're journaling them and just guiding you guys through that. And then if you guys are heavy students, because we got those questions, like you're going to be able to combine whatever you do, um learn from me with possibly his strategy and create your own trading plan. So gonna go over everything from like A to Z. Market structure probably gonna be the first week. I haven't put up like the whole thing yet, but it's gonna go into increments. So yeah.
Okay, wait. Did I miss something? What is that picture? Is that Brett, Simba, and Max? Did Brett give Max like 50 like straight to fundeds or some shit? Like what the hell?
Oh my god, what is that?
Look at that. He looks so fucking happy. Like Max looks so fucking happy. Like he's like overjoyed. What the hell? Look at that. That's like a little kid. That's like straight up a little kid that just got like the best toy they've ever gotten ever as a Christmas present, like the first Nintendo 64 or some shit. Like look at that smile on his face. Oh yeah. Damn, overjoyed. That is an overjoyed looking Max. Oh man.
That's hilarious.
That's crazy. I missed that this morning. Holy shit. All right, we're in this range. Yeah. If this does manage to break back over 350, this might be the confirmation of a potential flip and trend. But the 1 minute.
And then, I forgot about this. Everyone that does join the bootcamp is going to get a week of my indicator for free.
Nice. There you go. Nice.
Yeah. So you guys are going to be the first to test it.
Yeah, I've been dabbling a little bit with it. It's
you like it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I like it. I remember a few people asking how it fits with quant, and I'm like, I showed you a little bit. It's love the confluences. Added confluence is my favorite thing.
Yeah, no, it's great. Like we always have around the same levels, like whenever we trade, and then you just like to trade the in between as well, right? That buy I wasn't really a fan of, but as soon as it got to that level that we were both looking for, now we're both looking for the sells again. So it's kind of like little confluences like that I think is like interesting.
Yeah. I always like stuff like that. I remember I used to listen to guys way back before I even like started fully like just doing my thing. I would listen to other guys, just be like, if I see what they see, what do they see? Like, what do they see that I would be like, I see it too on my end? Or if I add with what I have, right? I'm like, oh, okay, they're seeing this. I'm like, I kind of see it, or I kind of don't. Then I can kind of base like how accurate each one can kind of be. So it's a fun thing to kind of forward test and back test everyone else's. This 330 volume, let's see what it wants to do. Got a level at 341, right at the tippy top of sauce box. I'm still looking for 350. That 350 closes above. So this is okay. So somebody asked me a question on YouTube, right? Do I explain all of this in anything? Yes, my YouTube channel. The Maestro Trades is my YouTube channel. Go check it out, and I go over everything. You can, these 5-minute candles that I have, go look at how I use the 5-minute quantum candles as levels. Go look at that. And that's exactly what I'm using here. Sauce box, the sauce box is its own thing. That's something I teach in my coaching. So the sauce box is its own separate thing. And then the quantum levels are formed by quantum. Like these little dash lines and the solid lines, the dotted lines, those are quantum levels. So you could kind of see where we're stuck in between right now. 327, 341. That's where we're stuck. SPX has a range as well. So SPX's range is 63.7649 at the top, and at the bottom would be 63.7334. So SPX has a super tight range. NQ and SPX tracking pretty much the same. NQ slightly weak, but not noticeable enough for me to really consider it. I'm not seeing either blues or purples break yet, so there's no confirmation and flip of either side. We're just in a standstill right now.
I like
There's a
to trade
34.
YM during the open. Aside from the open, I don't really like to trade YM. I prefer to trade NQ on the other time. So like right now, I sent you guys the screenshot of NQ because YM, once it makes its major move,
All right.
it's like now it's just dump city. It doesn't give like pullbacks like NQ does for like a re-entry once the move already started.
If this 327 breaks, then we might test that 317 on the 2-minute. Then we might have the continuation of this downtrend.
Yeah. Like YM is already at the bottom of the, so it's very likely the NQ is going to follow that. So I like to use both as confluences to see what each one is doing. But YM tends to move first lately.
Yeah. So far, that 327 is holding. Like that level is not breaking yet. So we're just stuck between 327 and 341. Look at Sam. Look at Sam with the kiddos. Right. No
Okay,
blues have
this
broken. There's
traffic kicked
not
in.
not a single quantum candle has broken, so I have no directional read at the moment. That blue right here, this one held still too. So one of these is eventually going to break and it's going to give a hint. It's going to give a hint, but so far not a single one is breaking. This is getting super duper tight. So I'm waiting for one of these to break here and I could get a potential hint at which way it wants to go. But this is insanely tight right now where it's at.
I just want to answer a cheetah 888.
A cheater? You cheating
Cheetah,
bastard?
cheetah.
Cheater?
Oh my god. Because they're asking, how is this bootcamp different from your ICG highs and lows course? So the course, obviously, you have two courses that I have, which one of them is like mainly a basic course that goes over things like breaking it down, right? Explains like what is liquidity, what is a breaker block, what is an order block, what is the fair value gap. And then you get into the strategy course, which is the more advanced one, which is how you put it together. And then you have an ebook as well, and you are part of my inner circle community inside of the Discord, right? So the course gives you access to that and to my weekly calls and to my to the chat where I send my what is it called, my charts every day that you can ask questions, right? So moving forward after the boot camp, only the people that purchase the course are going to have access to that. Think about the boot camp as if it was like coaching calls, but you get it for cheaper because you're getting 4 of them because it's a group of people, right? So think about it as if you got 4 coaching calls with a group of people. Once you're done with the boot camp, you don't have access to, to those weekly calls and asking me questions anymore. Just like a coaching call. You do the coaching call for that 1 hour and then, you're done unless you buy the course and you're a part of the community. So that's kind of how the bootcamp is. But instead of just 1 coaching call, you get 4 coaching calls with a small group of people.
I think this wants to push up. I just need to see it hold 40 and then break 50. Never mind.
Never mind.
It didn't hold 40. Well, I wanted to see it hold 40 and immediately melted through, but I'm waiting for that 50 to break.
I'm still holding the shorts from that area that
I don't know what they're yelling about out there, but I can hear them through my headphones.
Yes, I'm going to be wearing my combat boots and my camos and a bra.
We're still in the range. This is insanely tight right now. This is just getting tighter and tighter and tighter. My chart's just getting messier and messier and messier. This is where we're stuck.
Javi's going to be wearing a bra too.
Yep. Who says I'm not already wearing a bra? How do you guys know? There's no evidence to the contrary. I don't know my size though. There's my wife.
Oh, that Max on a bikini is diabolical.
That is, but at least they gave him a print, you know. At least they didn't do him dirty like they did Llama. They did Llama so dirty.
They did Coach abs. It was like, look at that. Coach has abs on that.
Yeah.
Oh, they just gave you a
there
bra.
I am. Oh, they made me look slim. I appreciate you guys making me look slim. The man boobs look pretty accurate, but it's like the slimmingness. Appreciate ya.
Oh.
Appreciate ya.
Oh, that
So
is
what's
bullshit.
this?
You guys made Llama as a sea lion, but you guys didn't make me as a sea lion.
What's this seal thing y'all were doing that made Max have that sharding accident? What was that? I missed so much that day. It was out there. The day where I'm traveling, I missed so much. I was just like, wait a minute. It's like, what just happened? Well,
That
there's
is a
actual footage of it.
classic. Hold on. Cause like so you know how people make like those songs?
I heard that.
You know how like the granny with the bazooka? Do you know that song? Right?
That sounded wet as hell.
It did.
That sounded wet as hell. Holy shit! You could hear the. Oh my god, dude! What the? That is hilarious. Okay, so what?
That goes with the sea lion.
The sea lion. Oh, is that the thing Bald Dan's little girl was doing? Like,
yes.
were you like, oh, I couldn't even see him. I just saw his feet up. Like, all I can see is his feet. Oh, that's hilarious. You hear the, and it just like you could tell there was moisture in that. You could just hear the.
A 360 sea lion?
Oh my god!
I don't have nothing that spins for me to do a sea lion spinning.
Oh man, that's too good. All right. Ooh, the short's starting to look good now. But this is still in a range. It's like one, either the long looks good or the short looks good. This is range. This is the funny part about range.
It stops me out, but I think we're gonna go down.
What time is it? It is 3:40. We got 10 minutes for MOC. We are surrounded by levels. So the reaction is going to be telling for MOC. We're either going to reject this 340, pull down below 327, then see 315. So that's what I'm kind of looking for. There it goes, Izzy. There it goes. There it goes.
Almost there.
Oh my God, Izzy.
Profit.
I entered that on that break of on that rejection of 335 at 329, and I just caught that, and I went heavy on the eval just because I can't even screenshot it. I just got trailed down on some, just because I was like, you know what, I'm getting bored here. And 4.
I'm getting bored here.
All right, here we go.
Almost
That happened way faster than I thought, but I did like that it did break below.
Jesus Christ.
That 330.
It's about to hit take profit.
Izzy with that nice short, y'all. Let's go, Izzy. Oh, here's that melt on the 310.
We hit it.
Breaking. Come on, 310. Rip. Holy shit, Izzy. This is a 30-point trade right now for me. Holy shit, let's go. Good shit, Izzy. I can't. Good shit on that one. Izzy with that beautiful short there. Let's see if 310 can hold now. We could get a really good meltdown coming in. I want to see a dumpathon here. 280s could be next. I have 280s as the next area. If this 5-minute can just stay below 310, close below it, we could see a big down move potentially coming. There's so much room down here. Tiger Woods in a rollover crash. Is he all right? All right, let's see if this thing can keep going here. It needs to break that 300 psychological level.
Again.
Do you have a boot camp link? Oh, it looks like Burgundy already handled it. All right, awesome.
Yeah, I have it just saved.
Who's this Jamal
again.
trader? Who's this honey badger saying just buy Lamal's course? I think he meant to say Lama. Lamal. Lama's now one of the brothers. Lamal. Just buy Lamal, guys. Buy Lamal. He's also the new Snape. Is also named Lamal the Snape. You know. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. I'm so stoked about the new HBO series, but Snape got me with the dreads. It got me a little bit. I was just like,
with the dreads.
Yeah, like Snoop. It's like Snoop Snape. Like just straight up, like just. I was like, what? All right, I only got 2 runners left.
Yeah, no, I'm completely out.
This
I think that was it for me. I think that was it for me.
This 5 minute doesn't. Yeah, this 5 minute doesn't close beneath the 310. There's a chance it might try to push up a little bit. So I got 4 runners left. I'm up a band.
I just don't like to trade super close to 4 o'clock. Like I think this is like a perfect. Like we hit the take profit and then just like done.
Yep. I caught like a little bit, but when like Izzy was still in the short and I like the 330 break, I went in heavy as shit. I went like 20. I don't remember how many micros I went in. Very nice. 4 p.m. volume. We'll see if there's 4 p.m. volume today. We got MOC in about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So this could push back up all the way to 335 to retest. Even 340. So this 5 minute candle is about to close over 310. I will completely get out of my runners. And I'll just watch.
This should be fine. I think it's still gonna keep on dumping a little bit.
It's gonna close above it. It's gonna close. If it closes right on it,
we already created that wick to reject. Yeah, we already created that wick rejecting, like the what's it called? 320. Yep. So the next one should form a swing down, possibly. I think that's what I kind of see.
310 still couldn't be broken on the 5. So yeah, for now I'm out of it. It's okay if it does, but that was still a clean move. I'm happy with that. But this 310 not breaking on the 5 yet.
Info. Jesus Christ.
Did you say Snape with dreads? See, that looks much better. That look, and he's got the and he's got the M hat. Oh shit. That looks sick as hell. You needed to rock that. Oh, look, Izzy, you called it. Oh shit. It's melting. Yep. Oh shit. It kept going. I got out of it. I just got out of it because oh my god, Izzy. Izzy called it. I should keep going and kept going. But I follow my rules. They didn't close below. I got out. But what a beautiful. If anybody's still in this, you are green as hell. Oh, here's the next sauce box tap. There's the 280 spot. 280 right here. That's the next sauce box. There's a nice little jump from it right now. That 288. Let's see if it melts in. We got a next little llama level right at the midline of sauce box here. This one is from the 2nd of September. 275 is the midpoint where you got that llama level as well. Let's see if we get a tap of it. That was a beautiful meltdown, Izzy. If it breaks through all this, 260, next would be this box down here between 228.
This is insane. Like I'm like I literally have no levels into another like 200 points down. That's why I was like.
Well, I have a few spots for this to potentially, but this got a lot of room. Wow, right to the next area. Not the strongest bounces here. The bounces are coming in, but I want to see. Yeah, it's kind of bouncing now, but yeah, there it went. It went right off the midline, close to the midline. Didn't quite hit the 76 area. Hit 79 by the tiniest bit. I didn't get my entry on that. By the tiniest bit. There it goes. Ah, I wanted it to get down there. All right, MOC in 2 minutes. Let's get rid of these. These are these have technically not been broken yet. We're about to have a level 310. This stays under 310. There's potential, but the 5-minute level I'm not fully sold at. This one's gone for me now. This one should be gone in a couple minutes. I want to see it stay well underneath 310. If this does push up, we have 340. That's really high up. But if this MOC is weak, it won't even make it. So we got about 2 minutes left still. Five minutes with MOC are kind of iffy because it's going to form one at around 310, 311. This is going to form a level right where this blue line is. But I've seen it rip right through them. So this is a tricky spot because we are hovering in between, no 1 minute level near us. MOC loves the 1 minute levels. And the twos. Twos don't fare too bad. So that 130, that 35-40 potential area, but this is looking weak.
Only thing saving the buyers is a Trump tweet. That's wild.
Yeah, I know, right? He's probably gonna tweet something. Okay, 1 minute left. This is looking like it's gonna potentially test up there. This is lining up, but it needs to break back over 310. There goes. So basically right now, if I'm using the 5 minute as a potential, 310 is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at that 310. So far rejecting. We've got about 20 seconds. I don't like anything where we're at. We're not near a level. I would love to see it pull up to retest all the way up to 340. Just, it has to break over 310 too. So right now, this is kind of a very iffy spot to be in. Because it could rip up pretty good. It could just reject 310 and then pull down violently. Yeah, there it goes. They didn't even retest at all. Just a hard rejection. See, that's why these areas are weird. No levels at all. Did not even bother to try to test 310. So that was a clean actual rejection.
Yeah. It's literally just creating balances, touching the imbalance, and rejecting straight through them. Perfect trend continuation.
Yeah, I didn't see anything good. There was just nothing good for me. So I wanted to watch and see if it would pull up to test that area. But did it. So just melted straight down, which was nice. It was a clean. Actually, it rejected off of the orb at 302 very cleanly too. But this is still that sauce box right here where it's bounced before. That was that 76 that actually hit it, didn't it? It hit 78. Hit 78.
That shit is going straight down into the
If
last minute. Right into the last minute of the day, this shit is gonna go down. I'm telling you.
I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised either. I mean, it's the weekend. The war is going on. It's fear. Everything in there. Yeah, I don't see buyers wanting to hold over the weekend. Honestly.
No. Everybody's just selling everything.
Yeah.
Shit is just straight down. I think we can definitely go 100 points from where I called it.
That's that 76 right there. Needs to stay below it.
Trump can try to end the war whenever he thinks he's going to, but at the end of the day, like until you know, because every time he says he's gonna end the war, then we get
Yeah,
some other thing from Iran just saying that we are not. Like he just keeps on saying it, but they're not agreeing to it.
I had that feeling the day where he said that he spoke with them or some bullshit. I was like, no, he did. I was like, no, he didn't. He's gonna retract everything he said the next day, and exactly the next day they were like, we never talked to him. What the hell is he talking about?
He might have sent a letter or some shit.
Yeah, I don't even think he did that. What the heck? What is going on with my? Hold on. Oh, I'm an idiot. I hate MacBooks. I hate MacBooks. I have to get used to the new buttons and everything. All right, there's that bounce off 76. That was a 20-point bounce. Right off the mid. I didn't catch anything. I'm not in anything.
Yeah, I've been out. I was just like, no. I want to be up before 4 o'clock.
Yeah, that was a clean bounce off the midline right there. Wow, look at that go. Wow.
I think,
There goes.
yeah, now we can get back into the range for sure.
Oh, I think this might be one of those last second rocket chips like we've seen before.
Just to close the hourly candle.
But risky as hell in this push. This is a violent push up. This is very, very big 1 minute candle that just came out of nowhere. Now we're gonna get a rejection up here. There's the retest of 40 area, or almost got there. We almost got there to 21. That 40 area was what I was looking at for originally to retest. What time we got? 54. Yeah, that was a clean rejection up there. There's a 3-bar that pushed up. Holy crap, what is going on here?
Yeah, this
Trump's
is
saying something.
well, it's probably just
There goes.
just the
There's that
hourly
330.
candle trading back into the range to end the week.
Yeah. Oh man, we're gonna get this last second rocket ship, I think. This thing's gonna rip through the 70s. And it's just
we could go up to the 400, I think.
Imagine seeing we've been getting these random big huge pushes out of nowhere. That'd be funny as hell if we get one of those here. Not holding my breath on it, but it'd be funny as hell. Needs to rip over that 370. But there's the retest of the 40 area that I was originally looking at potentially happening.
It's Trump's friends taking profits.
Yeah. Be crazy if we saw one of those just last second mega drops or mega pumps. But right now, there's nothing. This is just sitting in all these levels it was at before.
Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. It was literally so warm and nice outside, and I don't know where it's cold again.
Yeah, oh, the weather. God. Maryland's weather is just like ice cold, super hot, storm, snow, ice, tornadoes.
Tornadoes.
Yeah, the tornadoes just like, hey, tornadoes want in on the fun. You know?
I live in Virginia, so Javi and I are not too far apart.
Yeah. Yeah, Virginia Beach is like 3.5 hours, something like that.
Yeah.
It's like driving to New York.
Mm-hmm. You're literally in the middle.
Yeah. Man, I kind of feel like full porting long if this can hold over 312. No financial advice for
Javi said
JJ's.
full
Not financial
port.
advice.
Javi
Not
said full
financial
port. I
advice. I
heard
want to see
it.
a
I
test.
heard it. I heard it.
I want to see it test 312 first. I want to see if it'll hold it. I want to see if the Dom gives me the reaction down there. Because that would be a simple like little 10-point stop loss. If it gets down there, but it didn't get down there. I mean, what did it hit? It hit 19. I didn't get to full port it.
What's wrong with
I wanted to.
Don't go to Boca Raton because there are too many Brazilians. What's wrong with it?
Working on another eval. Oh my gosh, this thing is actually going. It's actually going. I wanted to get in with more if it retested. I couldn't get the chance. I'm up 15 points right now. I went in with 12 micros. I wanted to go full port. I couldn't. But if anybody listened to me, not financial advice, you're up pretty dead. You probably passed an eval right there. You probably just passed an eval. Oh my God, it's still going. There we go. Who full ported? Who not financially advised listened to me?
Who not financially advised listen to me was insane.
Because I know there's some degens in there. They'll be like, have yourself a port. You'll be green as fuck right now if you did. Mario G just made 1K. You freaking degenerate. There it goes. Hey, I didn't get to full port though. I only went in with 12 micros. I only got 3 left. Down to.
Oh, so we got a new term yesterday. It's called half port.
It's called half port. Eisen just made 15K. There you go.
What the hell?
It's very rare that I say full port. I wanted to see it touch 312. It didn't. I'm out right there on that pullback. That cannot break over that freaking 340, 350 area. This is where it's resistance. But if anybody caught that, that was a nice 20-point push. That was a clean 20-point push. Oh my God. Let's go, Oz. Requesting another 2K from Lucid.
Hell yeah.
That's amazing, Oz. Congratulations, bro. There you go. That was a clean move.
Again.
Yep. Now we're coming back down. This is just ranging. The 5-minute pulled all the way down to 312. That 312 that I wanted to hold was because of the 5-minute. It pushed all the way down, closed beneath it. Right here. That was clutch. That was a clutch full port play, which I didn't get to full port. Only for it to close below.
Yeah, Javi only half ported.
Now the full port short doesn't look bad, but at this point it's already gone. The move's already gone. So no, don't. If you guys are done, be done. Do not listen to what I say.
It's
anymore.
4 p.m. You guys shouldn't be placing
This is 4 p.m. volume right here. Anyway. Yeah. 4 p.m. volume coming in right now. So this is dangerous as hell.
Yeah. We only have 15 more minutes and then you have to have your positions closed anyway.
Yep. Yep. See, look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Things just skyrocketed. Holy shit. What is going on right now? This 4 p.m. No, this is still in the range. Oh my God. It worked. No, I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop. I'm going to leave these two. Let's see where these two want to go.
Javi is degenerating. Right. He is. I'm the calm one today.
Huh?
I said I'm the calm one today. They're calling you a degen right now.
I'm just having fun. He just rejected off that area again. But I'm done. I'm done. Oh man, what a day. What a day.
I'm so tired.
Oh man. Yeah. Everyone should be insanely green. I don't think we didn't catch a single L. Izzy with a great short. I scalped a few in between. Caught that big push up. Caught that random full port push up. Non-financial advice.
The random non-financial device for report.
Yeah. Good. Good day. Good power hour, y'all. Levels played out beautifully, even in this ugly ass chop. And it's still in between. Look at this. This is just bouncing in between my sauce boxes. This looks so ugly. Like, I hate how ugly this looks right now. But this is what the chop is. Like, look at this. Look at how these purple candles hold. This 348. There's your wick. Guess what? There's a new line up here now. Look, this is the top, right? The bottom currently is this blue candle right here. This right here. So what are we doing? We're going back and forth, and you can make a little midpoint, right? You also got sauce boxes. We're just bouncing back and forth between the sauce boxes. That's it. That's all we're doing. Boom, boom. Now here, I don't know. Now it needs to break underneath this 80 if it's going to keep going down. Levels played, candles played. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Green only charts. Let's go.
Hell
Maestro,
yeah.
you and Izzy should host an in-person event in the DM feed before you leave. Oh.
It's not that easy to host an event.
Well, I ain't max rich yet. I ain't that rich. I ain't that rich, y'all.
Not that quick either. When are you moving officially?
June-ish. We want to be down here by June. Our lease doesn't end until July, but we want to be out of there by then.
Yeah.
Our place is also, we think that there's a potential, what do you call like when the land isn't even, it's sinking? Our walls are cracking and shit. Like literally, like there's parts like where the stairs are, they're like this. They're like this apart. And when you go, like when my kids or my wife goes up the stairs, it's like moving, and there's just cracks everywhere. Like every day, my wife's like, that crack wasn't there. That crack wasn't there. I'm like,
you know what is crazy? Because I just got my whole house painted maybe like 6 months ago, like repainted. And I'm seeing like new cracks. So I wonder if that's what it is. Because they're random, like here and there. My house is older. So like I'm like, I definitely want to buy a new house before the end of the year.
what does it mean when the land is settling? Unstable soil. Unsettled. It's moving, jiggle, jiggle.
It's jiggle, jiggle.
Jiggle, jiggle. Soil settling. Yeah, it's we when we were in Utah, we lived in a place that had the same kind of thing. But the landlords came and they had a whole thing. They did, like, it was expensive on their end, but they took care of it because they had the same thing. Like, walls were cracking and they were looking at it, and I forgot they called it something else. They didn't call it settling. I forgot. My wife knows what the term is. They called it something else. So we're kind of like,
Yeah.
we were both like, our luck. Right when we moved in, there was mice, and now the walls are cracking.
Yeah, there's so much shit wrong with my house because I'm like, I did so much to it already. I just want to finish like getting everything that it needs to get done, and I don't know if I want to sell it because it's so cheap too, or if I want to keep it and just. I could have been done paying it off, but I kind of didn't want to pay it off because my mortgage is so cheap, so I didn't see the point of paying it off.
Yeah. I lived in St. George.
We can open an animal rescue. Honestly, that's my dream. I want to make so much money that I want to have a nonprofit where I definitely rescue animals. Like that is literally awesome. My dream.
That's a great dream, Izzy. That's a really good dream. The market, not Javi stairs. Mario G. Let's go. Everyone should be nice and green. What a power hour, Izzy. We always have fun on the Jizzy show. Like it's always a nice little like wild movements and crazy shit. talking about golfins.
Golfins.
Yeah.
How do we call the unicorn with the mermaid tail?
The Mormicorn?
The
Oh, that's a Mormon. That makes it sound like I'm saying Mormon. The Mormicorn. Give it like 10 wives. The Mormicorn. Wait, my short paid big. What the hell? Why'd
Why
y'all
is it
make
me
her look like she's crying?
The fuck?
Yeah. Her short paid big. I made a K on that short. Well, I made like 700 on the short.
You guys are never gonna see me crying online. That is the one thing.
Oh, thank you, Miss P2P. This breaks under 280. That'll potentially keep going, but for the time being, it's just hanging out around these levels right now. It's just hanging around the 3. What is it? Let me zoom in. I can't. They're like kind of stuck together, so it's hard to see them. And this computer is so tiny. Between 305 and 286. Below 286, you have that 279.75 candle. So this is where we stay stuck. This is where we stay stuck. Please through 280.
I don't know. The cafecito didn't help that much. I still want to go lay down and watch 90 Day Fiance.
90 Day Fiance?
Do you like it?
Oh, wait. Is that the one where like they come in with trying to get green cards and shit?
Yes, that one.
Oh, I've seen some clips on that. Yeah. I've seen some of those. Those look interesting.
Oh my god,
that's the one.
Yeah,
That's
there's the
the one
90
with the guy
day
that put
before the
mayo
90 day.
on his hair. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. The guy that put mayo on his hair, that guy right there. He was on that show. And he was with that Asian girl.
Yes.
Yeah, she's straight up paper. She was straight up looking for papers.
100%.
That guy had the weirdest personality. Like, I was like, dude, chill.
But then the other one that he dated just wanted fame because she was American, the waiter, because then he started dating a waiter.
Mm.
And that waiter was actually pretty. Like, she was tall and like she was a white pretty girl, and it was like, okay. There's no way that she would have gone for him like on a regular, like,
Yeah. Mayo is great for conditioning. G57 gonna get my wife. She's gonna start buying some mayo to put on her hair now.
No, she won't. Oh my god.
Yeah. Curly hair is hard to keep up. She's always trying new shit. She said no. I want to see a tip mayo.
Everything but mayo.
Yo, why'd you give Izzy why'd you make her look pregnant there? Pat, what the hell?
I do look pregnant as fuck.
You look pregnant as fuck, dude. Hey. Got the mermaid babies. Look at that bouncing right off that level down here.
Oh, man.
All right, y'all. What do we got to give out today? Let me see what we got to give away today. Let's start off with some indicators. We're going to start off with, I'm going to give away 3 on YouTube and 3 on the Discord. I want to make sure I give away the right things, though.
Yay.
Make sure I don't give away an account by accident that we don't have. Nope. Okay, no accounts today. Awesome. All right, so we're going to give away 3 on YouTube, 3 on the Discord. All right, Izzy, you want to pick the Discord?
Yeah.
And for some reason, my share screen keeps coming off. All right, you go ahead and pick the Discord. I'll take care of YouTube. YouTube, Golfins.
Type Golfins.
Ooh, is 280 going to break here? Or not? Ooh, it's bounced right off of it. Golfins!
Do you invite them to speak or just like you just mention them?
Invite them up. Just say hi, bye, whatever. YouTube, I'm just gonna randomly.
I don't know. Oh my god, I already had the babies. Is insane work.
That is insane work.
Yo.
What's up?
What's up, y'all? I'm new here.
So, brother,
can you turn your camera on?
Yeah, Izzy's got to scope the merchandise, If it ain't
Scope
good,
the
we don't give
merchandise
you.
is crazy.
We don't give you shit.
Where are you from?
Kansas City, Missouri.
How long have you been
Kansas.
training for?
Oh,
Oh,
man, it was on
damn,
and
you
off.
don't have the MOT tag? Hold on.
Uh-oh.
No,
You better go adopt that shit real quick, bro.
I thought he did.
Go adopt it real quick.
How do you get that?
Just click on anybody that has the little MOT on side of the name, on top of their name. No, on the right side of their name. Jesus, I can't speak English.
Okay, screenshot. Gotta contort my fingers to screenshot on this thing. Oh. All right. So Marvin URCR, Denise Cat 95, and I'm outside my guy. You three. Go open the support ticket. Go ahead and claim a free week of any indicator of y'all's choice. Uh-oh. Dom's going crazy down here at the 80.
Oh damn, it's about to keep on dropping.
Uh-oh. I don't know if it's gonna have enough mustard at 413 to go. It like needs to close below it, and then it needs to like just go. But the volume that we have right now is usually kind of ass. Huh?
Yeah. I did. I got the mod tag.
The Dom's going nuts here.
It's going.
I was for a while.
It's trying to.
Uh,
Slowly.
tried baseball after I got out of college.
Since no one
What?
is, since
What
no,
happened?
we forgot that he was here on stage with us.
Oh yeah. Did he adopt the tag? Did he adopt it? I started
Oh
looking
my
at the
god,
chart
Javi,
again.
we're literally terrible.
I know. I'm so bad. I'm being so bad right now.
We are so bad.
I'm
Yes,
looking to see if this 380 is gonna
you
break or
did.
not.
You did. Okay. Well, it was nice having you. Open a support ticket. The monster gonna take care of you, and you can pick a week for the indicator. Bye.
See ya, brother.
See y'all.
It's an addiction, y'all. I know that I won't see the charts until Sunday night, so I'm like milking this shit right now. It's trying to break underneath. It's like fighting it right now. It's like fighting the 80 right now. It's like, oh. I think I'm gonna get cooked on this one if I enter too early, and I'm trying to like time it. I'm trying to time it right on this candle closure, which I don't want to end. And it's like teetering. It's
Remember,
messing with it.
Fridays are for over trading and account popping.
Yeah, that's right. You gotta pop
yeah.
at least like 2 accounts, or you're not a real trader. Not financial advice for JJ's. Pop 1 or 2 or pop them all. It's just hanging out right at 280. It did not close. Technically, it did not close below it, but I don't like it. I don't like anything on it. It technically did not close below it. Technically, but it's like right there.
Okay, who else wants an indicator?
All right,
Wait,
who else wants an indicator?
Did you pick the people from YouTube? Because they were
Weekly,
supposed to
weekly
send
pollen.
dolphins.
I did weekly.
Dolphins.
I said weekly like 5 times, I think, didn't I? Or no? It might be me. I suck at communicating. My wife knows. I'm a horrible communicator.
You had one job. Listen, we both apparently have ADHD, so this is clearly not working.
Oh shit. Do I want to get cooked here? It technically closed above, but I just feel like it wants to give in. But it's about to form. If this 1 minute candle, the 2 1 minute candles closing above it, and then the next one teases it.
Oh god, that noise.
Yeah, what is that?
I need the noise to
Did I just
stop.
win Jeopardy?
That was my phone.
I'm over here like tweaking that
Oh.
noise.
Thought I won something. All right,
No,
there's
but
this
he did.
freaking 80 break again.
What's up? How are you?
Good.
Carlos the Pip. Oh, there goes. There goes. Oh my God. I didn't catch it because Carlos the Pip distracted me. Oh, there goes.
Hey, I'm still in it.
Oh,
It broke. It did. It
what did I
broke it.
say?
It melted. 40 points.
It's not a seal,
Damn
it's a sea lion. There's a difference between a seal and a sea lion.
It broke it and dropped 20 points in an instant.
Yep.
I'm sad now. I was waiting for that.
So you enjoying the show, Carlos?
Yeah. I watch all the shows from morning all the way until Power Hour.
Hell yeah, living the life.
I just
the
learned
MOT
about
life.
y'all like a couple weeks ago.
Oh, what brought you our way?
I was actually on a random TikTok, and one of the guys follows y'all. And once I saw the first show, the first morning show, I was hooked.
Nice.
So I'm trying to save up my money to, the indicator is going to be a big help, but I'm just been saving my money to try to get one of the courses and really turn everything around.
Do it right. Don't do it like the rest of us. The majority of us come in, guns a-blazing, full port accounts, try to pass and get a payout fast. And before we know it, you're like 10K down the hole. And then all of a sudden you want to make that 10K back as fast as possible. So then you full port 10, 20 more accounts. And then you're down another 10K and you're like, ah! And you just keep going and going until you finally take a course and then you learn. And then you're like, oh, I should have done that in the first place because then I wouldn't have dropped 20K blowing accounts left and right.
Yeah.
I catch my mistakes pretty quick.
That's good.
But I do have a tendency to overtrade sometimes, but I catch myself and I stop. Like I've been trading for 6 months now, and I've only blown 2 accounts.
That's impressive, actually.
Yeah, that's very. Absolutely.
I'm waiting until I really get it. Once I get it really dialed in, then I'll start doing the copy trader and all that other stuff.
Good. Like at least that you're in a good path. Like if you only blew 2 accounts in that amount of time, it's like
rookie numbers. Other guys are there like, psh.
Rookie numbers.
He's doing it right, guys. He's doing it the way that we wish we would have done it, right?
Right.
We wish we didn't blow 60 accounts before our first payout. That's the way you're supposed to do it.
I don't want to get used to blowing accounts. I want to get used to doing it the right way.
Exactly. That's the right way to do it. And then you'll never be chasing that green from the red, because that's the problem. A lot of people start off red and then they chase, like they know how much they've lost. They know, oh man, I just invested 15 exactly. I need to make that 15K back.
Yeah.
And then they chase to make it back instead of just
See, you gotta be like me. I have no idea how much money I've lost so far.
Yeah. Oh my God. This thing is melting, Izzy. It's melting.
Well, I told you I was gonna do that, Javi.
I know, but I wanted the 80 to break first. Oh my God, it's still going. I was like, it was just teasing it. It was just teasing it.
I literally said we're gonna drop 300 points by the end of this shit. I'm joking. You dropped 100 points.
I turned around 1 second, and then it said, "Javi's not looking at the chart anymore. Let's go." And then it dropped. The second I turned around, fucking NQ.
But yeah, well. It was nice meeting you, and you just opened a support ticket. And you're gonna get an indicator free for a week, and I hope that helps.
All right, that's what I've been saving up for, to get an indicator, so this helps.
Absolutely, man.
All right.
Absolutely, man. You enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend, brother, and we'll see you next week, man.
You too.
Peace out, man. Awesome. One more. Man, we got people actually coming up. What a dump. 50 points from that break.
Stop looking at it. Don't fumble it.
That was gonna be the grand finale, and I was gonna be like, yeah, I got to enjoy my last second with it. No, I'm kidding.
He was definitely looking for the Jizzy to come out.
I was looking for that Jizzy finale. I was.
The Jizzy finale.
I was looking for the money shot.
Money shot is crazy.
Money shot is what I was looking for, and it got there, but I didn't take it. I didn't get to participate, and that's sad.
It's fine. You got to watch it. Sometimes you need to be a cuck. Sometimes you need to learn to be a cuck.
I mean, yeah, I guess you're right. I do like to watch here and there. I guess you're right. You got a point. Pause. Izzy pause. And in case you guys are on YouTube, we're talking
Wait,
about the
hold on.
we're
You
talking
said you
about the
do the
caulk. We're
C.
talking about the caulk you buy at Home Depot. Okay, get your
Exactly.
minds out of the
No, no, no,
gutter.
no, no,
Okay.
no, no, no. He said he would do the sea line on top of the car. I need to see that right now.
Oh shit! Do it.
Hold up, let me get something to set the phone up on top of the car so you can see it.
Oh snap! He's gonna do the sea. See, if I did the sea line on top of the car, that thing will break. It'd be like the Street Fighter cars.
Oh, let's see. What's the best way for you guys to see this? Hold up, I gotta
Yo,
think this through.
they made us dolphins, and my dolphin looks straight up like he's feeding
Oh
for
wait,
something.
hold up,
Like
hold up.
he's the dolphin you guys made me. That's Gerald. That's exactly what
Gerald.
Gerald will look like. It's like
I
let's
don't
go
know how to
kidnap
do
that.
this.
Let's go kidnap that fucker right there.
Place it on the ground by the trees. Maybe.
That's right. Okay.
Some guy's gonna come and steal it.
Nobody's gonna come steal it.
Gonna be like, "Ugh."
There we go. Oh, almost there.
Can you see the
Oh
car?
snap! Yeah, we can see the car.
Yeah.
Is it good enough?
Tilt it a little bit down, cause to see
You
the.
see the hook? Oh,
There we
yeah,
go.
right there, right there.
Yeah. Oh, that was.
Oh, little
You
more. You
had
had
it.
it. You
No,
had it.
you had
You
it.
made it worse.
There we go. We
Well,
can see it, like right,
I don't
like
get-
that.
I'm putting you on a tree right now, so it's a little hard.
Okay,
Like,
perfect. Like
that
that.
angle will be perfect right there. If you could like find a way to keep it right there like that. Like dig a hole.
Or maybe you can move it sideways.
That
To
might
the
be.
phone sideways. Put the phone sideways. There we go.
Oh yeah, there you go. That's right. I didn't think about that. Phone
Oh,
science.
hold up. We're so close. We're so close.
We're
It's almost
so
there.
close.
We're almost
Clear my
there.
camera for a
There we go. Perfect.
Hey, there you go. All right. His neighbors are gonna be like, look at that crazy bastard out there. He straight up got him. Yeah! Hey, give this man a free month. Give him a free month. Give this man a month.
Hey, let's
Dude,
go.
let's go.
You got a free
Give this man
month.
a month. He got a whole month for that.
Thank you guys so much. I needed that.
Yeah. Open a support ticket and get a free month of the
Yeah.
indicator.
Thank you so much, guys.
You got it, man. I bet you nobody blinks an
Bye.
eye. He's like, oh look, there's that quackhead doing it again. Like he's the neighborhood quackhead. He's like the crazy guy.
Y'all are awesome.
Thanks, brother. Man. You enjoy the
Bye.
rest of your day, your weekend, man.
Hey, stay blessed.
You
All right,
too.
bro. Awesome. Well, another great show, Izzy. Happy to have been here with you. Next week, I'm here in Florida. I'll be doing. I don't know if we're gonna get we haven't even rented our place for next week. We're still deciding if we're gonna get Airbnb or hotel. Like we procrastinate like hell. But there'll be a new environment next week. I know we got time. And enjoy your weekend, y'all. I'm gonna enjoy my weekend. I'm gonna keep this short, right? Not financial advice for JJ's. Make sure you guys follow us on our socials: YouTube, X, TikTok, Instagram. You know, anybody wants to learn about quantum, my charts.
Yeah.
Go check out my YouTube channel. Anybody want to check out Izzy's OnlyFans, whatever that, I don't know, you want to share the links or whatever you want to do in there, right? She's got one opened up apparently now, so you guys can go be sick bastards over there.
No, I don't.
I know, we're just messing with you guys. We're just messing with you guys.
The only link I got, this is my only OnlyFans, is my my boot camp.
Yep.
Only sea lions.
Some of these guys were like, wait, what? Where's the link? Everyone's like, where's the link? Make sure you guys tip the staff. Go show your love. Izzy, what do you want to kick it out with?
Do the sea lion.
All right, y'all. Enjoy your weekend. Peace
Enjoy
out.
your weekend, guys.
Production, go ahead and kick it.
Bye.
Heat of my do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Heat of my do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back road. Then it flipped on his head, it's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. From the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, turned in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, one shit, turned into a chip. We in and out quick. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, shift, one and two and shift, shift. And I did it again. Quantum shift, quantum shift, shift. One and two and shift, shift. We in and out quick. Am I heat of my